Hello. Did you know that ChatGPT now offers text-to-speech? In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize it, and we'll start off with why would you want to. So I came into Claude and I said, what are some case uses of text-to-speech for college professors? And it gave me this list right here on the left. So then I told it, create that list into a nice format I can share on a video explanation. And that's what we have to the right. So nice improvement from the original text to this one. So we have accessibility reasons, course content creation, language learning, time management, research, feedback and grading, online learning, personalized learning, and podcasting. So one use that I'll use it for is I have an online ebook, and I will allow students to have it able to download as an audio file as well. So how to create it? We come over here to platform.openai.com/playground/TTS, or once you're in the playground, you can click text to speech. Then you put your text in down here and you can select a number of different voices. You can select which model you want to use. The HD one is a better quality. You can select the speed of the voice, of the speaking, and then the file format. And MP3 is a good format. So I'm going to go ahead and click generate.
Aerobic exercise, also known as cardiovascular exercise, is any exercise that increases the heart rate and breathing for an extended period. Examples include running, cycling, swimming, and dancing. These exercises rely on oxygen to produce energy and improve cardiovascular fitness.
So that sounded really great to me. It's well paced, it's a good voice, and the other voices are pretty good as well. So I find that it's going to be a very useful tool. And then you just click this right here to download the file, and there it is. You're all set. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. Thanks.